5 tips for Forex trading for beginners. Hello everybody, my name is McClendon. This channel is about business, trading, and money. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. So let's get into the 5 tips, guys. So the first thing you guys want to do is start a demo account. Please do not start with a live account. It will burn your funds. It is a way to lose money. So please start with a demo account. Save your guys some time, save your guys some money, and it will be so much better because demo trading and live trading are very, very similar. A few differences, but please start with a demo account. Tip number 1. Tip number 2, start with a normal account balance. Don't start with a $100,000 or a $10 million account. Start with something that you can manage, maybe a $1,000 account, $200 account, $500 account, $100 account, $50 account. This will start something abnormal, something you can't even afford or never even have that kind of money starting out. Tip number 3. The third thing you guys want to do is keep a journal. Journal about everything that you do. What time do you start trading? How do you start trading? Where do you start trading? What currency pairs you start trading? Very important, because if you are trading some off pairs at different times, you're not seeing the results you want to see. It's because you're probably trading the wrong things or at the wrong times. Just make sure you guys are writing down everything so you guys can grow progressively. Write down exactly what you do, how you did it, why you entered, why you did a buy limit, why you did a sell stop. Just write down the things that you did. Tip number 4, patience, guys. You're not going to be multi-millionaires or billionaires in a day. You're not going to quadruple your account in a day. It's not how it is in reality. So just be patient. You know, you may be losing a lot, burning a couple demo accounts, you know, losing a lot of demo money. That's fine. That's what you're supposed to do. This is supposed to happen. It's normal. Tip number 5. This one is actually really important. You really want to know how you trade. So with this, guys, try many strategies. List below is going to be a bunch of strategies if you guys want to learn different ways that people trade, different images that people want to trade, different ways. You're going to do harmonics, an Elliott wave. You guys want to be a position trader, a swing trader, an indicator trader. You know, you guys want to be very open to everything since you're new to Forex trading, and basically learn all the type of styles. And in those styles, you guys can be able to distinguish when you feel more comfortable with. You know, you guys like scalping, whatever. You know, something like that. But if you guys want to know a little bit more about it, just link below, and it'll show you some images of what people like, what kind of different trading it is. Alright guys, those are the 5 tips on Forex trading for beginners. I hope you enjoyed them, hope you liked them. If you guys want to find out more what I do, learn how I trade and how I do my one-on-one mentorship when it comes to Forex trading, please DM me, hit me up on Facebook or Instagram. Go to my website, learn more about myself, and we can have that conversation. But other than that, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment below. Let's have this conversation. Get this video out there. Help out more people. Help out more traders. And I'll see you on the next video. See ya.